Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word games. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After finishing my homework, I liked to relax and play video games with my friends. The word games in this sentence refers to activities that involve competition, strategy, and enjoyment, often played for entertainment or recreation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.